Hey, I'm Bill Tichenor with Holley, and today we're here to talk about our new Sniper 2. It's our latest and greatest from our Sniper line of fuel injection, where you simply replace your carburetor with a throttle body EFI. The injectors are in the throttle body. The computer is in the throttle body, so it's a nice, easy installation for you. It's really the easiest way to get fuel injection. All the fuel economy, the cold starting, the drivability. It's less smell in your garage. Just all the good stuff that comes with fuel injection the Sniper is known for. And the Sniper 2 is our latest. It has 14 new features. First off are the ECU that we've designed, moved from the front to the side, and we made the computer more robust to handle old car wiring, and we needed to really hone in on the RFI resistance, and we did that with the Sniper 2, so it's more universal, easy to deal with. There's an internal bypass from the front injectors to the rear injectors, so there's less passages there, less plumbing for potential fuel leaks, and we upgraded the throttle shaft too. It's much smoother. Much smoother. I wish you could feel this than the Sniper 1. It's got integrated kickdowns for Turbo 350, Turbo 400, 700 R4, or C4, Ford C4, C6. So it's part of an ecosystem, the way we're really putting this together. So step one is you choose your throttle body, and you choose whether you want black or whether you want shiny. Step two, you're going to choose what type of tuning interface you want. You have the traditional Sniper handheld that everybody knows about, and then we have a new 5-inch handheld coming out soon. Thirdly, we have a Bluetooth interface to your phone, and let that be your setup wizard and your tuning interface and your gauge interface. And then it also works with all the Holley, the standard 12.3 dash, 686 dash. So if you want that to be in your car to do all your monitoring, you can do that too. We got step three is going to be choose your fuel system. Now we have master kits that come with an inline pump and the fuel filters ready to go. That's super easy to install on your frame rail. We have fuel tanks that are ready to run with fuel, high pressure fuel injected pumps. And we also have these really cool muscle car modules. These, we have a lot of popular vehicle applications where you use your stock tank. It doesn't have to be an EFI ready tank, but we sell a module that will fit in your sending unit whole with the EFI high pressure pump on it, ready to go. That's your easiest, best way to keep your fuel pump covered, keep your fuel pump cool, stop it from any kind of cavitation from fuel getting uncovered. If we don't have your application, we have a universal in-tank pump, and all you do is we send you a template that has a hole, gives you the size to cut, and then we send this real thick gasket with it. It takes up the contours of the tank, and then it just cinches down, and you got an in-tank pump. And all you'll do is you'll take the fuel pump on the hanger, put it to where your sock is right on the bottom of your tank. Step four, you can choose to upgrade your ignition system. And the Holley HyperSpark ignition, we have them for most popular applications. And what it is, it's a distributor and an ignition box and coil, but it's set up where you can adjust your timing through your Sniper handheld. You don't have to worry about tuning, adjusting your distributor. You just do it right there on your laptop or on your handheld tuning device, and you have full timing control. So an engine runs best when you got your fuel and your timing running perfect. All right, and so step five is this really cool new product that we got. We're calling this our power distribution module, PDM for short. It's optional, but what it really does is cleans up your wiring. And so all you'll do is take two wires out of it to your battery, your positive and your ground, and then you're going to get one wire into a switched 12-volt source on your car. Everything else just comes wired straight into this PDM. Simple the screw-in connections. Really simplifies your wiring job, cleans up the look. We think it's a great addition to add to the simple ecosystem. That's the Sniper 2. Always evolving here at Holley, wanting to make your life better, make your installations easier, and enjoy driving your car more. Check out Sniper 2.